Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow an app that is being blocked by Windows Security or Microsoft Defender on Windows 11. Before we start, only do this if you trust the application and you downloaded it from a legitimate source. If you're not sure whether the file is safe, don't add it as an exclusion. First, we need to find the actual application file. Click Search at the bottom of your screen and search for the app that's being blocked. Right-click the app in the search results and select Open File Location. If this takes you to a shortcut, right-click the shortcut and select Open File Location again. You should now be inside the folder containing the actual application. Look for the application file, which will usually end in .exe. Remember where this file is located because we're going to select it inside Windows Security. Now open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Scroll down until you find Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Windows may ask for administrator permission, so click Yes. Next, click Add an Exclusion. Select File. Now browse to the application folder we found earlier. Select the trusted.exe application file and click Open. The file will now appear in the exclusions list. Microsoft Defender will no longer scan that specific file with real-time antivirus protection. Now try opening the application again and check whether the problem has been fixed. If Windows Security previously quarantined the file, you can also open Protection History, find the detection, and review what Windows blocked. Only choose Allow on device if you're completely sure the file is safe and the detection is a false positive. Keep in mind that if the app is being blocked by Smart Screen or Smart App Control instead of Microsoft Defender Antivirus, adding an antivirus exclusion may not solve the problem because those are separate Windows security features. And that's how to allow a trusted app that is being blocked by Windows Security on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.